Chennai students celebrate India's first reusable hybrid rocket launch, Mission Rhumi 2024. Mission Rhumi 2024 launched from Chennai's scenic East Coast Road, capturing the excitement of students. Satrajit Sami, a 13-year-old, described the launch as exhilarating, making memories for a lifetime. The event lasted only a few seconds, but the joy and pride were palpable among the crowd. Students actively participated in the EduTech Space program, fueling their passion for space exploration. This momentous occasion marks a significant milestone in India's journey towards innovative space technology. Join us for more exciting updates on space exploration.